Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in exchange-traded funds on Webull as a beginner, follow these step-by-step instructions to start building a diversified portfolio. Step 1. Download the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account. Complete the registration process by providing your personal information and linking a bank account. Step 2. Deposit funds into your Webull account by navigating to the Transfer section. You can link your bank account and initiate a transfer, which typically takes 4 to 5 business days. Step 3. While waiting for your funds to clear, use the search function to research ETFs. Type in popular ETF tickers like SPY for S&P 500, VOO for Vanguard S&P 500, or VTI for Total Market. Step 4. Review each ETF's details, including its expense ratio, holdings, performance history, and dividend yield. Look for low-cost, broad market ETFs if you're just starting out. Step 5. Once your funds are available, tap on the ETF you want to buy and select Trade to open the order screen. Step 6. Choose Buy and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can see the total cost update in real time based on the current market price. Step 7. Select your order type. For beginners, a market order will execute immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Step 8. Review your order details and swipe up to confirm the purchase. Your ETF shares will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed during market hours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.